IB values decked out. Hilton and Island Middle School art students are taking creativity to a new level by designing and painting skateboard decks. Each board represents an IB learner profile word, values that don't just describe learning, but shape what it means to be an IB student.
My word was communicator, and I chose that word because it's very important to me for people to express themselves and make it known to the world how they feel, because I think that's a lot of what you know about a person is like how they express themselves and who they are inside and who they want people to see.
My word was risk taker. Why I use it is because I like to take risks, do stuff that I don't normally do, try new things and have fun with things that you never really do.
My word was accept because I like people that accept me for who they are, and I accept people who they are too.
Before painting began, students studied the history of skateboard art and graffiti, then applied those techniques using bold letter forms, colors, and images to bring the learner profile words to life.
I really like that it's the artistic liberty of it, how you can't really mess up graffiti, and I like all the artistic expression that you get to do. There's nobody to really tell you just exactly how to do it. You get to make that up yourself.
I liked about it like how it had many styles. You can add many symbols, like mostly what you like on there.
What I liked about graffiti is that you could draw like bubble letters, cool like designs, but the wild star was the hardest thing because you had to like make it all piece together in one crazy word.
The students have been working with professional artists to create a total of 33 skateboard decks. When finished, the artwork will permanently be displayed throughout the school, serving as a daily reminder of what it means to be an IB learner.
The skateboard decks are coming together wonderfully. The kids have really worked on them in a collaborative effort. They're unique, they're different, and the students are really enjoying them.
Funding for this project is made possible through a Foundation of Excellence grant, the Art Center of Coastal Carolina, and the Hilton and Island Office of Cultural Affairs. At Hilton and Island Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.